Okay, types of fractions. There are 3 types of fractions: proper, improper, and a mixed number. Okay, all of these here are mixed numbers. To read a mixed number, you say and. This is 5 and 1/3. This is 2 and 3/5, 4 and 5/6. You see that it has a whole number and a fraction. This is a mixed number. Okay. An improper fraction has a bigger top number than it does a bottom number. So we say this is an improper fraction. Go ahead and write these in. Okay, this one has a smaller top number. Well, I can have 4 out of 11. If I have 11 total, I can take 4 out of it. So that is a proper fraction. So let's go through and mark all the ones that are proper. That means the top number is smaller. This one has a top number that's smaller, so it's proper. Nope, that's way too big. So that's an improper fraction. This one, we're going to call this one an improper fraction. It's improper, even though they're equal, it's improper because 16/16 just would be 1 whole. Okay, this one here is a mixed number. I have a whole number and a fraction. This is a mixed number. This one is a whole number and a fraction. It's a mixed number. This one, proper or improper, the top number is smaller. Can I have 29 out of a total of 30? Yes, I can. This is a proper fraction. This one's a mixed number, a whole number and a fraction, a mixed number. This one has just a fraction and my top number is smaller. Can I have 13 out of 15? Yes, I can. I can have 13 out of 15. This is a proper fraction. Can I have 16 out of 12? No, if my total is 12, then I'm going to have much more if I have 16. This is an improper fraction. We'll learn more about this later. But this, all I want you to do is know how to identify between a proper and improper and a mixed number. This one's a mixed number. It's got a whole number and a fraction. If you need to watch this again to help you do the back, go ahead and do that. This part, a reciprocal. Say reciprocal. Reciprocal means flipped. So reciprocal is a fraction upside down. So if I say we want to flip the fraction, which does happen in dividing fractions, it's something that you're going to want to know. If I say to flip the fraction, there are some times in math that we're going to do that. So the reciprocal of 7/15 is just 15/7. The reciprocal of 4/9 is just 9/4. We're just going to flip it. Reciprocal of 15 we'll come back to. Reciprocal of 11/2 would be 2/11. And if I have a whole number and I'm looking at fractions, to make this a fraction, I just put it over 1. We're going to repeat that a lot, so you're going to see it. So the reciprocal of 15 over 1 is 1/15. We want to circle the fractions whose reciprocal is a proper fraction. So really, if we're going to flip it, we can go through and we can flip every single one of these. Well, this one's never going to be a proper fraction. So this one, we want to flip them all and just see. So is this one, what really we're going to be circling the ones that are improper fractions because the reciprocals will be proper. So go through and circle the improper ones. This one's improper. This one's proper. When I flip it, it's improper. And I want the proper fraction, the good ones. So the reciprocal to be a good one. So this one's an improper fraction. So that one I'm not going to circle. This one, the circle this one because this one's an improper fraction. And when I flip it, the fraction is proper.